Hello, hi, Vamgani. I hope you're good. I hope you're blessed. Okay, I changed my intro, nyana, but yeah. Okay, I'm back with another video, and today is a Friday, the 4th of October, and today we have NFP at 2:30, right? So we'll see how it goes. I just wanna document how this one goes. Um, this is what time is it? Yeah, 17 minutes past. So let me just do my analysis quickly to see what is going on or what we could expect. So as you can see, we are on a daily. So daily time frame, we do our territory. We are in an uptrend, as we can see. Okay, from there on, we can see an impulse correction, yeah, impulse correction, and we're currently in like an impulse, right? So let me just do this. Here's my highest of this downtrend and my lowest of this downtrend, right? So we also have very strong levels in between these two levels. As you can see here, we have one here, we have one here. Yeah, so those are the two. So as you can see, we're currently also in an uptrend, right? From a downtrend to an uptrend. So our buys are safe, right? If you buy here, you'd be a bit safe. But of course, there's always a risk of the market correcting, right? So it goes down to the 4 hour and we do almost the same thing. We see that we are also in an uptrend on the 4 hour, currently in an uptrend here, right? And then here we can see um, the intermediate what trends, right? This was an uptrend, right? So here, as you can see, we're trending up, and then we are correcting, right? We are currently in a correction because here it is, right? Here's a correction, yeah. So what we could expect is that we could expect that price breaks out of this, because this is like kind of, it was a support, it was a resistance first, and then came above to break this resistance to become a support, but now it's below this resistance, right? So we could also expect that price to shoot down, right? To sell for this upcoming NFP, right? And if it does sell, let me just use this, my fib extension, fib tool. Yeah, we could expect that price might just reverse around the 0.618 level or the 0.786 level, right? So there would be your TPs. You could place your TP1, TP2, and then just see how it behaves, right? Let me just change the colors so that I know it's different from the other levels, other important levels in between my uh, other resistance and support, right? Okay, let me just delete that, right? So here I would sell here at the break of this kind of support, because price has been ranging for how many days? 2 days in this area right here, right? It came, hit the support nyana, came back to hit this resistance support, and it's currently here. And also we can expect buys, right? Because of what? Double bottom, right? Buys right here. If price breaks that, we're expecting buys, right? So let me just do this. If price breaks this level there, a 19897.9, then we expecting what? Buys, right? So we can expect either way, right? So I already placed actually my sell stops here, just below here, and also I'll also place my buy stops just around above here, and taking into account what your spread as well, because here trading view doesn't have spread, right? So, and also what I noticed that sometimes trading view says that this, say here, maybe an example here, it says this is a what, bullish engulfing, whereas if you're using MT4 with a certain broker, it might not show a bullish engulfing. You get what I mean? Yeah. So here we can just wait to see what the market does for NFP, and then we'll see also how we could have caught this trade. But usually I don't trade at 2:30, right? So what we could also expect after 2:30 towards like 3:30, when the market actually opens, we could expect, say, let me just delete some of the things here. So say for NFP, right, price broke out of this range, broke above this resistance to buy, right? Price is gonna come back to fill the gap or the fair value gaps, like to retest basically, and then continue shooting upwards, right? Continue shooting upwards, right, to this level here, or even further up, right? That's what price might just do today, right? And then if it breaks below this level right here, breaks below to sell, it's gonna eventually come back to fill in the gap and then shoot to the downside, right? So yeah. um and also I wouldn't recommend holding yourselves for very long, because we are in like an uptrend daily, and 4 hour we are in an uptrend. So I would recommend you to hold it here, 19078, because it is where the trend line also passes, right? You understand? Yeah, this level right here, because holding until here would be a very big risk. Or you can sell and um close your profits early, or secure your profits by moving your stop loss below your sell entry price, right? So yeah, let me just do analysis on US 500 to see if it's giving us almost the same thing. Okay, let me just delete my previous drawings. Let me just delete those, and we're doing the same thing. Quickly just doing my analysis before the news come out. Okay, also on a daily we're seeing an uptrend, right? So let me just do this, my fib, just to see where we could expect price to go. Let me just mark my levels. That's the level here, a level here also. Okay, and also let me just do that. Okay, we're done on the 1 hour. Also, you can also do your highest and your lowest on the 1 hour. Let me just use this. Right here we're seeing that it's at price is at support, so it's highly likely, it's likely that we're gonna buy. So, and I love US, working with the US 500 and NASDAQ, because US 500 gives a more like visible direction. Yeah, it gives a more visible direction. But of course, also we could also break below this support to go lower, right? Yeah, so keep that in mind. But rather, yeah, let me go to my 4 hour, and then we do the same thing. Oh, okay, my channel, what's happening with you? Okay, so here we also saw the same thing, right, on NASDAQ right here. Price has been consolidating here. Also, let me just do this. Has been consolidating between these two levels right here, right? Came inside this level. Let me just use this. Came inside this level, touched the support, came to this resistance, minor resistance, came back to support, and then it's at the resistance again. So we're expecting this to happen, to break above, and this would also what form a double bottom, right, formation, right? So that's what I'm expecting here. But of course, price is going to reject first. Price is going to reject, and it will try to kick out those who are in the wrong direction, right? So just be aware of that also. So yeah, now we're just gonna wait. I think here I'm gonna speed it up until like 1 minute, 1 minute 29. Let me just say 29, so that we can see what happens then. So yeah, now it's 14:38, 22 minutes to 3. So we saw that NFP bot, right? Because also the actual news was more than the forecast news, and also larger than the previous NFP. That means that the US economy is stronger, right? It means that more people have been employed. Is it? Yeah, I'll just make sure and just confirm, right? So it means that the economy is stronger than it was last month, right? Because the previous 159 shows that this was the kind of the amount of people that were employed, right? And this month it was 254, right? Yeah, so it means the economy is stronger. It was is stronger than the previous NFP, and more people have been employed. So yes, that's why we're seeing a buy right now. Also, if you want to actually enter again, like the buys and catch more buys, we might just expect a retest of this double top, right? Double bottom, I mean, sorry, double bottom to shoot to the upside, right? So yes, that's all for now, and I hope y'all had wonderful news. I hope this also helped on how to approach NFP. And yeah, I'm also gonna look at US 30 next time, because I'm a bit scared of US 30. I don't know why, but I will conquer that fear and be able to trade it as well, right? Thank you. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and also please recommend any other videos. Yeah.